another day, another vlog. Look who's with me and the couple. We're going to... Ang hina. Ang ano pa din? Ang demure.
Boarding at gate.
One?
We're boarding at gate 107.
Yes.
But now, we are looking
for a good place to eat.
We can buy everything.
Now. Yeah. Magkano ba kayo?
I want to deliver Wolfgang here.
Kaya nga.
The catering service. Papakainin ko lahat ng taga-immigration.
Uy, gago.
Sorry. Don't ban me. We're fresh here.
May surprise visitor kami late. Pagdating ng Hong Kong. Malalaman nyo kung sino.
Guess who?
Guess who?
Guess who is the...
Comment down below.
If you can comment.
Eat ourselves.
Oh, yes.
Uy, it's not giving.
It's already my Diablo.
Oo, ina Diablo. So, we are ordering ourselves.
Are waiting for our order. What did you order?
I ordered...
Keep face.
I ordered pink drinks.
Same with me and then hazelnut milk.
Why so many different palms of the hazelnut?
I want my drink customized.
Kanina yung pink drink?
Mine.
Kanina yung hazelnut? So many. Drinks first din? Water. Napkins kasi first time mo, right?
Yes. My flow is so heavy.
Outfit check. You turn around. Wow, such a pretty girl.
Go. Board yourself. Hey. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. What can you say on this trip?
I'm praying for the next joiner of my group to pass the immigration.
Loud and clear. This is the crew. Can you say hi?
We are at Hong Kong na.
Yes. Welcome to Hong Kong.
Ni hao. So ngayon, naliligaw kami. Hindi namin alam.
Going to the bus station, guys.
Yeah, because everything is expensive.
Hi guys, welcome to Hong Kong.
Kanina pa well.
71 yung Hong Kong Express.
Pa Hong Kong station lang.
Hong Kong station lang. Ito kasi 41 minutes. Pupunta dun sa station that we desire to land. And go to our hotel.
Ngayon, namimili kami ng best way para maligaw. Nag-iisipan namin.
Ay, yun yung board. Ito na, nakikita na naman yung National Board of Bus Station. Ayan, ayun ang National Board of...
Can you zoom in?
Ay, ayan, oh. Tiring.
Best Western. We're here, guys. We're gonna stay at Best Western Hotel, Causeway Bay. Reception check-in. Yes. Yes. What are you guys doing there?
For the betterment of the...
What's the smell? Can you describe? Can you describe the smell of your jacket?
It's amoy alimuong.
Para sa may-ari.
Ay mo.
Malangsa.
I think talaga.
Malansa daw.
Ano?
Malansa.
Grabe sa malansa. Amoy fish pa nga.
Sa Hong Kong pa kayo nagganyan guys. Masikip lang talaga mga hotel dito. Nag-expect ako.
Pero, okay na.
Maayos naman yung itsura, no?
Ito naman. Tsaka talaga tutulugan mo lang siya. Hindi ka naman nagpunta dito para pero magsisiling ba tayo?
Mag-swimming ka na. Tumalong
Mag-itcharad ka na. Mag-itcharad ka na.
Pero tingin ko pwede magsisiling pagka, mga...
The jacket.
Parang bumabalik.
Hindi. Naisip mo lang.
Huwag mo nang... Diba? Hindi, nag-improve siya ba yun?
Here at Ichiran Causeway. Right?
Yes. We're number 226 and it's currently 222. So
Okay.
we're excited to eat. Si Vlogger.
It's giving expensiveness. Wala pa kaming iniinom na tubig masyado. Buti na lang may libreng water sila. So inom lang kami na dito. Kasi ang mahal ng water nila. Okay, doing photography. Hi, good morning. This is our visitor.
Ito pala pag may araw.
This is our surprise visitor.
Hello.
Biglaan lang yan.
Last week lang ako nag-book, guys.
Same. Wala kami, tapos tinulungan niya kami. Ihatid na pa ata kami. I think, lilibre namin siya. Okay, we love Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Ito lalo na.
I love HK. Wanna live here?
Hong Kong yan? Hindi pwedeng Chinese. Ayan, tingnan mo. Hindi ko alam.
Hong Kong.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Nahatid siya talaga kami. Kaya pala hindi namin siya makita. Kasi nasa second floor, guys. Wow. 14,000 steps. Are you tired? Are you tired?
No. Walang sumasakit sa bulsa.
Are you tired?
No, let's party.
Are you tired?
Hindi na
Are you tired?
Ay, yes naman.
Grabbing our quick dinner.
Rice, yeah, may pot of rice.
Okay, we're now gonna claim our Macau ferry tickets. Wow, so dry. Okay, wow. Dryers.
Why like that?
Why you mix there? There's a package.
Here.
Okay.
You were looking so bright, I don't wanna mess up. You were ready dressed up. What I want, hold your hands in the hands, put you on this tour and say goodbye.
Hungry and tired. Parang nakaka-fresh. Parang nakaka-fresh dito sa live.
Atake, pa.
Tingin mo ba di ba siya sawa sa stretch marks? Dito ba?
Uy, may exposure yung paa mo sa vlog ko. Remove your
Hindi,
bling
maganda
ako.
lang kasi nandun ako, pero
Mas
wala akong
maganda pa
pangit
doon
tignan.
kaysa sa banyo stars. Ayaw niya ang blue.
Kasi,
Na maitim.
Pagsakay niya, di bababa na kami kasi 8th floor na eh. Tinatap namin, ayaw mag-open, nagsakit. Sigilagano pa namin yung pinto. Makita namin 18th floor pala.
May sumakay kasi, pupumukas. Feeling namin ang tagal na namin dun sa
Tsaka 18.
LM.
Ah.
Kasi 39, eh, nakala namin. We're going to what? We're going to Disney.
It's really, really good.
No. How many couple shirts did you sew already?
One.
Million.
See more 81 in Guys, si inner child is healing. Inner child is so happy. Disneyland. Tapos Disney on Christmas pa. Disney Christmas pa. Kami ngayon. So guys, naghintay lang ako dito sa gilid. Kasi nag-grizzly bear sila, teen sila Kiers, and I'm not a fan of roller coasters. Picture on the cake. Picture. Here at Yatlo. Leather jackets.
Pero sa kanya.
Amoy puto. Baho talaga ng jacket ko.
RDMS.
Give me life, give me life.
Iwan kaming friend. Hulaan niyo kung sino.
Find a missing person.
Yung sense of urgency niya sa pagtakbo kasi ay napaka-cute. Mare-reveal na po ang may amoy kulob. Mahahanap mo na. Is she there? Makitang naka-leather jacket. Welcome back! Tapos baby!
Biglang nawala! Napakahayo!
Magkakasama lang tayo!
Ito kayo nahanap. I feel local. We are here sa Max Noodle. This is our last dinner in Hong Kong. Ito ang order namin. Brisket. Ooh, the vegetables. Guys, last night in Hong Kong and ayan, nag-i-impake na siya. Over the baggage. Over the baggage. What if ibigay mo kay...
May sasagot mo ako sa akin.
Kaya nga, what if ibigay mo, can you bring this to Manila and visit me? Ay!
Who's this? Father?
Why are you deciding you remove from my plastic?
For that?
Yes, for that. No, yeah.
Meron mag-charge ka, 20 ka na lang.
Pinapakailan mo pati charging ko.
Charge your phone!